Here's a super cool bobber that you can use to fish the oyster flats when nothing else will work. I'm fishing with a finger mullet and a planer bobber. See how it goes horizontally instead of coming back towards the shore when you reel it? Makes for a nice flounder in a net, doesn't it? That's going to be really tasty tonight. Man, that's a big flounder. So the oyster bars are no longer a problem. There it is. 22.5-inch flounder. Tasty. Go out and get you one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.